Ah, clear skies, beautiful weather, a nice moon outside, gentle breeze, everything is nice and cheerful, and then we have this. It looks like it's staying just north of us. I mean, just north of us. That looks a little suspicious, but they're not calling for any tornadoes. But we've got a little bit of activity. I don't see it swirling. So, and it's heading this way. I think we're going to catch some rain. But I know further north of us it's much worse. Yeah, you can hear a little rumble in the jungle. Ah, it feels nice out here. Well, in life, a little rain must fall, and a lot of it seems to be falling in the Midwest.